So we wanted to get rid of this ugly shift knob.
But somehow we ended up with stuff we didn't need.
This is the shift knob. What happened?
I went on Temu and shopped like a billionaire. Alright, let's do some shopping. Civic shift knob. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is also nice. Damn! Cheap buy. Damn, cheap buy. Cheap buy.
And you buy the shift knob?
Almost done. Buy. Buy.
One eternity later.
So we ended up with a lot more than a shift knob. If we even bought a shift knob.
Let's do the guessing game. Wait.
Oh, I have to guess first.
Let's do it blindfolded. Let's find the blindfold.
Is that a good idea? This?
Yes. Put it on your head.
Yeah, so I can still see through this.
Wait.
Oh no, what are you gonna do? Is this going to pull my hair out?
Can you still see?
No, I don't like this. I hate this. I don't trust you. Sit here.
Okay, here. Okay, wait.
Wait, what? What is this?
All right.
Hey,
Derp.
First package.
what is this? Round, heavy, it's soft.
Open it. What is it?
Is it a lip?
Yes.
What is this? Okay, let's install this and see what this thing looks like.
Is it long enough?
Is this even a lip?
How does it, what, like this?
Yep.
Or like this?
Like this. Do you trust this double-sided tape?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just stick it on with the double-sided tape
And then see.
and then see if we need to.
But
Let's clean it first.
Clean it first.
Without a proper clean, this thing will definitely fall off. And with it, maybe also.
So we're going to start in the middle.
But it won't hold.
Yeah. Well, if you do the corner, then it won't fall off because then you hold it. Now you have to hold it on two sides.
Okay.
Curious what this will look like. So against the
Yes.
edge. Does it? It doesn't even stick now, does it?
Time to stick it on. And let's hope it sticks. And not fall off when we're driving it.
We cut it here. Here. Here.
Well, just cut it and hopefully it looks good.
Like this.
Yeah.
I say yeah, but I actually have no idea. But let's see. I'm putting self-tappers in to make sure it is secure. We'll reveal this lip later. Let's move on to package number 2.
I actually don't know what this is.
Is this the shift knob finally?
It's round, flexible.
Okay.
Or do you know what it is?
Yes.
You even have to look what it is.
Yeah, I forgot. I bought it 2 months ago. You know how it goes on TV.
What is this? Wires?
No, it's a red.
Oh,
red
LED,
strip.
LED strip?
Can make the interior nice and red.
Did he really buy this?
Like it was.
No, a glow.
We had there was a glow in there.
Really? Did I
You
remove
can't
it?
remember? Yes.
Flashback to when we bought the car.
Nice interior lighting
Under the carpet.
under the carpet.
Also in the car. So let's start with removing all the stuff we don't need. Stuff we don't need. Stuff we don't need.
You buy a new one?
Yeah, stuff we don't
Now
need.
we're gonna do it correct way.
Will this even remotely look good?
Neon lights.
For under the
Underglow.
dash. Underglow,
We
okay.
can put it here.
Under
or
the
we
car.
Can put it here. I think this would look
Well, you can do it like all the way from left to right.
here
Yeah.
or here.
Or here on under your window like this.
No, this is nice.
So half on the passenger side, half here. But how
Yes.
do we connect it?
I'm gonna cut it in half because
Okay.
there's like
Oh, okay.
points where you
And
can-
then this Oh, there's like 2 as well. Like,
Yeah.
Is he actually sure about this? Cutting this in half? Will it still work? Oh, and it's bright.
It works.
Yes. So why red? I don't know, man. The red lighting.
This lighting obviously needs power, so we're connecting it to the cigarette lighter. And when we turn on the light, this should also turn on.
Let's see if it works.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, wait. Is this nice?
Looks nice.
Wait, so basically I put my dirty shoes here and it's like this. Oh, I'm not so sure about this
All
one.
new cars have this, right?
Really, yeah.
All modern cars have this.
Yes, fancy. Okay, stick it on. Ooh. So does it look like
The
something else?
the newer Type R's have this. My FN2 had this.
The worst.
Le who? The her.
FN2, that is the nicest Type R out there.
Not.
Bam!
Bam! Okay.
10 extra horsepower.
Will this finally be the shift knob?
Small, this is hard. Shift knob booth? Shift booth stuff.
Yay!
Yeah?
Correct.
Oh, that's nice. How many more to go? Is this the shift knob finally?
I don't know. Open the box.
Shift knob. Is this shift knob?
Maybe.
No, what the hell is this?
Guess.
Is it something disgusting? Is it something I don't want to hold in my hand? I feel like this is something I don't want to be holding in my hand.
Guess.
This is a shift knob. Oh my god. This is the shift knob
It's
that you
actually
bought.
a Momo shift now.
What the?
You still need to buy a shift knob.
Oh.
Installation.
Hello. Oh. Oh.
Well, that's a pretty straightforward
I
system.
thought we cleaned the interior. Over this.
We can use this as a template to make the cuts. Like this.
Then we need to, so these are the short sides.
Yes.
This is the long side.
Ah.
Okay.
So there are no cuts in this one. So we have to make them ourselves.
Cut it.
The cutter.
To assemble it, we need to make these cuts. So we can hook it behind these tabs.
Bam.
Okay. But so this one is too short, to be honest.
It's not too short.
Well, you can't put it around this. So
but
it
that's
doesn't
fine.
fit. Okay, put it in.
I like this.
Time to assemble it back.
Oh, yeah, it looks a lot fresher now.
What it looked like before.
So now,
Ooh, rrr. How the hell did you find this one? All the things you can find on Temu, you find this. Wait.
we have one problem. Does it need to look that side? Or
Oh,
that
this side, this side. It's
I want it to look at me.
so stupid.
Boop, boop, boop.
It actually looks the same.
Back to the packages.
Hey, what's this? Phone holder?
Oh, I know. I'll give you a hint. Ours is rusted.
Oh,
Radiator bracket.
it's password JDM. Let's open this. Some nuts and bolts.
Correct.
For what? Oh. Oh, fancy ones.
Fancy ones.
Password JDM.
Installation.
Now? Okay, let's do it.
With Temu stuff, the question is always,
Nice.
will it fit?
Yeah, seems to fit.
Of course it fits. It's from Temu.
I have to take the rubber from the original one and put it on this one. And that seems to fit.
Yeah, I think it fits. Not too tight.
And?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Nice. Did I shop as a billionaire?
as a billionaire.
Beam, 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 beam.
Was it worth it? Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. Doesn't
Not
stand
bad.
out.
So we have more screws. Well, time for these.
So we'll be replacing these old bolts. Out with the old, in with the new. So we're replacing everything on the fenders and the headlights.
You can also put it on the front bumper, because we're actually missing some stuff here. Should look a lot better.
We actually only had 2 bolts in there, but these seem to fit even better.
Done.
Yeah, it's subtle.
The engine bay looks better and better.
Yeah, we could have done like red or gold or... What do you guys think? Nice.
Looks good.
Package.
7.
How many more?
Oh shit.
What?
That's
What is this? The f is this? What the?
that's mine.
What the?
It's not for this car.
What is this? A vibrator?
Nothing to see here. Next.
Package number 8.
Is it another vibrator?
Hey, you didn't guess. It's nice pedals.
Really? This looks...
It's like EK9 style.
this was it, right?
This was it.
Ah. I'm sweating. It's 30 degrees outside. I hope you didn't spend too much.
Can't remember.
Uh,
Let's install.
Installation.
new pedals.
Nice.
Are these different or are these the
I
same?
think they're exactly the
Exactly the same.
No, they are actually not the same. But we'll figure that out soon enough.
But I think I have to take these one off.
same. Yep.
Maybe we need to turn the red light on. Hey.
Boom.
Shall we just try? Yeah, like this. Then. Nice try. No, these don't fit. Wait.
Okay.
This is square and this is not.
Maybe that part should be on top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This one is on. Now what do we do with the other one?
Well, we're gonna try and see if we can make them fit. As they were too small, maybe this will help.
We can slide it on like this. So then we break.
Maybe not such a good idea.
Temu. Fart.
Oh.
Much better.
We actually have 3 more upgrades to go. And saving the best for last.
It was clean when we just left, and now it's full of bird shit. And I hear, yeah, there he goes. So, what do we think? The lip. How much was it?
$10.
I like it a lot, to be honest. I say 8. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Agree.
Yeah.
Radiator bracket.
How much? You said a couple of bucks. $4?
$4.
8 out of 10 as well.
10 out of 10. Simple installation.
These.
Nuts and bolts.
6 out of 10. I think they look nice, but a little bit redundant.
8 out of 10.
The red lighting, 4 out of 10. It makes it look cheap, I think, and it's too bright.
I agree. 3 out of 10.
Yeah.
Unless you're a riser.
Quite nice.
You think shift booth,
$5.
7 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay, but the shift knob, it is really ugly and it does not fit this interior. I don't know. I mean, it's funny. I think if it was yellow, we might have kept it. Then it's cast.
But luckily Ka also bought another one.
Whoa!
Exactly.
It's actually a Type R style.
The pedals, but they just don't fit. So I say 1 out of 10 now. Because they don't fit.
Yeah, and that last upgrade?
So remember that thing Car bought?
Oh shit.
What?
That's
What is this? A vibrator? He actually convinced me it's a neck massager. but it's actually pretty good. Yeah. Neck massager. 10 out of 10. Best upgrade. Neck
What
massager.
neck massage?
Well, you don't know? You should try. Yeah. Which shifter do you like better? This one or the green one? Let us know in the comments.
Hulk style.
Whenever I see them, I grin ear to ear because I know they're the costume. Wanna start tectonic shifting, they're gonna cause them. Hopping in the